Okay, hi. So further you're going to address working with layout in Home Designer Pro. Now, this is obviously not Home Designer Pro, but it's the big brother of the current version, Home Designer Pro 2024. I'm just going to go and I'm going to address specifically how do you resize and create a custom template. Okay, well, that's what we're going to do this time. I'm going to open layout. And it just went directly to my templates folder. And I'm going to pick one. See, already got one that I made for 11 by 17. There's 24 by 36. Trying to decide which one I want to use. We'll just use this one, I guess. Open that. Okay. So this says it's 11 by 17, but let's find out, verify that. That's 11 by 1'5", 17. That's correct. Okay, let's make a letter from this. I rarely ever print the letter size. So what I'm going to do is go File, Save As, and we'll make it letter. See, I changed the name so it doesn't mess or undo this, but this is a starting point. Now, for Home Designer Pro, in the version you have, it wouldn't say one. It just doesn't say anything. So the default position that would be the same as what you would find in Home Designer Pro 2021 would be basically Chief Architect Premier page 0. And this is where you can directly edit everything, and each layout file is one layout file, one page. So I'm going to take this, clicking on the edge of this virtual piece of paper, I'm going to move it out of the way. Probably didn't know that you could do that. Now I'm going to press the shift key, left click, and draw a marquee around everything else that's left. Because I don't want to redo that, all that work there. And now I'm going to block it so that it's all one piece. And now I'm going to move this piece back. This is a virtual piece of paper. And within the confines of this white thing is what's going to print. Anything outside of here is not going to print. So you get that. That's why that's significant. Okay, now I'm going to go to File, Print, Drawing Sheet Setup. See it there? Drawing Sheet Setup. Left click on that. And I want to change it from 11 by 17 to letter size. So we'll find the letter. There it is, 8.5 by 11. And landscape is fine, but I should only do landscape. That's just stuff I'm not going to mess with. Okay, and see the white piece of paper resized, but the CAD that was on it did not. So that's the whole reason I blocked it, because then I can resize it with a corner handle to fit the new target sheet. There we go. Now you can see the geometry slightly different, but now that I've got the resizing done, I'm going to unblock the CAD. And these the edge here, we'll just manually line that up. Make that a 16th. Now this stuff, I'm going to pull this away. So I can, yeah, marquee select everything else. Trying to keep this as simple as possible. Okay, so now that's kind of done. So now this one will measure 8.5 by 11. And it'll print it to scale on 8.5 by 11. Yeah. And I changed the file name to a letter, so that's the process. And like I say in Home Designer Pro, you would save as and call this the save as copy page 1, save as copy page 2, save as copy page 3. You know, like I say, you can do everything I can do in cheap Premiere. It just takes longer, more steps to get the same product, whereas the features are built into cheap Premiere and later versions of Home Designer Pro. But with your older version, it's perfectly functional and it'll get the job done. It just takes a few more steps to arrive there. Okay, thank you. Hope this helps you.